everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, today I'm gonna be doing a what I got for Christmas 2020 haul, which actually doubles as a December haul because some of the stuff I'm showing you in this video are just some random stuff that I've gotten for endorsements or that I bought myself for the month of December. But most of these stuff are indeed Christmas packages that were given to me. So I'm just gonna call this a what I got for Christmas video. I know that my previous monthly hauls were always accompanied by Dante, but today we're gonna do this alone because I don't know where he is. So yeah, let's just get into it. Don't forget that all of the products that I mentioned in this video are going to be linked in the description box down below, so if you guys want to check them out and go get them for yourself, then go ahead and click through my links. Okay, good. First off, I want to show you what's inside this beautiful box. This is such a cool concept. I fell in love with this packaging the first time I saw it. This is from an eco-friendly, sustainable brand called Eco-Friendly. First off, there is a Christmas note. It just says, "Merry Christmas, have a blessed Christmas and a Happy New Year. Karawinda, stay sustainable." First one is this cute ass Christmas journal. It has a little Christmas tree cut out, as you can see in the front page. It's this really high quality piece of green paper. I'm absolutely obsessed with this dark green. And the best part about this whole journal is the fact that it's 100% recycled. Do you see that? There's a little recycled symbol on the edge of each paper. So this is recycled pulp paper. I'm so excited to be receiving this journal because I don't really buy physical hard copy books. I really rarely buy them, so I never really write physically. I always use my laptop nowadays. So having this recycled journal is so exciting because I finally get to actually physically write something. Oh, they also have a little pen. Oh. Next up, we have this gorgeous red tie-dye mask. Oh my god, it's so pretty! I wish I have a shirt that looks like this. Look at that, so pretty. Next up, of course, we have the usual natural soap bar from Eco-Friendly. Every time they send me a package, they will always send me at least 1 or 2 natural soap bars, and this one is in the scent Choco Butter. So it's non-SLS, non-paraben, palm oil free, and they're handmade. Oh, that's a really nice smell. The benefits of using handmade natural bar soap is that when you use them in the shower and they go through the drainage and go to the ocean, they won't pollute the ocean with their chemicals because they're all natural. They're literally just made of olive oil, coconut, lye, chocolate powder, butter, castor oil, and water. So no harmful chemicals that will go into the ocean or the rivers. Next we have, oh, these are so cute. So these are upcycled cotton handmade face mitts. And they're basically like reusable cotton pads. I already have a set of reusable cotton pads, but none that look like this. So when I first received this, I was kind of confused, like what are these for? They look so pretty. And then my friend explained to me, oh, they're reusable cotton pads to erase your makeup with. And I'm like, what? But they're so pretty. I'm not gonna tarnish this with my makeup. Just pump your makeup remover on there and then clean your makeup with that. Or you can use it for your toner. You can just put your toner and wipe away. Next up, you know, a funny story. I was with my best friend Raina a couple of days ago and we were doing Secret Santa and we gave each other a Christmas wish list, and I said, oh, I really want a tumbler, like a big actual water bottle tumbler, because the water bottle that I have now is literally this small and it can't really contain that much liquid, so I don't really use it that much because it's just so small. And so I told her, oh yeah, I really want a normal sized big water bottle, but we didn't end up doing the Secret Santa. And so I was so surprised when I got this inside my eco-friendly package because it's like the universe was reading my mind. And fun fact, my friend Fira actually designed this. The most gorgeous, minimalist looking water bottle ever. It's made of bamboo and it has a little strain inside so you can make tea with some tea leaves, and it's a thermos so you can keep your drink cold or hot. And it's the most beautiful, simplest thing ever. This is exactly what I wanted. Thank you so much, Vera. Okay, we have one last item from Eco-Friendly's basket of Christmas goodies, and this is one of my favorite things. This is one of their campaigns, a black tote bag. But as you can see, half of the tote bag, the upper half, is made of a recycled plastic bag. It is the coolest thing ever. It doesn't even look tacky. It just looks like something a streetwear sneakerhead would use. At the bottom it says, "Half of my bag is made of your plastic waste." Are you kidding me? I'm literally gonna wear this everywhere. Not only is it cool and it's like streetwear hypebeast style, but it also reminds us to reduce our plastic consumption and also reminds other people because they're gonna be seeing us wearing this from afar and it's gonna be a statement. Thank you, eco-friendly. Love that. Okay, this literally just arrived right now, so I'm just gonna include it in the video. Salah satu teman-teman kakak influencer gue namanya Mandy CJ ngirim gue Christmas hampers, tapi ngirimnya baru sekarang, udah agak telat sih Ci, tapi ya terima kasih. So yeah, this is from Sakuru, and tinggal satu because I already ate the other one, and it's a cocoa bomb. So if you guys have ever seen those TikTok videos yang bikin cocoa bomb, this is it, and it's so delicious. Terima kasih my sesama rate card sister Mandy CJ. Oh, I have my Christmas socks on. It's cute, right? The next thing I wanted to show you guys are these Bali-based handmade recycled jewelry. So they're called Cincinnati. They are 100% made from recycled silver scraps. And they gave me 4 pieces of gorgeous jewelry, 2 rings and 2 ear cuffs, and they're all so contemporary looking. Like, they're so abstract and unique. All of their jewelry are handmade by Balinese and Javanese local craftsmen, and their process is chemical free and plastic free. And I completely love their brand because they're a really great example of a green, ethical, and transparent company. When I asked them about their supply chain and their production process and their factory transparency, they explained to me in full detail, and I appreciate it when companies are able to do that because transparency is really #1 when you are claiming yourself to be a sustainable and green company. Okay, next thing I got is from the Kain brand called Kakena. Sent me a note. Thank you. Their brand is just so beautiful. Look at the packaging. So we have crepe paper on the front and then their cute little signature sticker. And there's kind of like a Barong Bali illustration on the sticker. And so we open it and we see this gorgeous set. They also included a cute little printed picture/postcard. Very cute. Another really cute card that explains the origins and inspiration of their product. This card explains that one of their products has prints of a flower called the anggrek bulan, which is endemic to Pulau Ambon. Bunga anggrek bulan pertama kali ditemukan di Pulau Ambon pada tahun 1750 oleh botani asal Belanda. That's why I love this brand. They take time to educate you about stuff like these. The first product I want to show you is this. Ini kain, tapi kainnya kecil, so I'm just gonna say that this is a selendang or a scarf, and it has a little bit of a lilac pink tint for the background. As you can see, illustrations of Rafflesia arnoldi, a flower that's endemic to Indonesia. This product is called Bunga Nusantara scarf. I completely love this. I love wearing this. It's so versatile. Another kain, another scarf/selendang, but this is smaller, and this is called the Mangku Indonesia. It's super cute. You can turn this into a bandana, a top. It's ridiculous how cute and versatile and super soft these are. Thank you so much, Kakena. I'm gonna show you guys some things that got sent to me from this really cute brand called Asa Renjana. And you guessed it, the first one is this dress. A little mini dress that I wore to Christmas dinner. And it's the cutest thing ever. I've always been wanting a dress like this. It's so form-fitting and it's just so flattering. I don't know, man. It's just so nice. I love it. Thank you so much, Asa Renjana, for this dress. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to crouch down. Berikutnya kita juga dapat 2 tops lagi yang nggak kalah lucunya. Pertama tuh ini lucu banget. This is an extremely cropped shirt. And it's in this beige cream color and it's so flattering for your stomach. And then you can like lift it up and then you can see your abs. I love it. Thank you so much, Asa Renjana. Ini lucu banget loh. Literally me modeling for all my clothes. Gue harus jongkok kayak gini. Next up we have this really cute white fluffy top. This really reminds me of something that I wore as a baby and it's so flattering for the collarbones and you can wear it like this, like a shirt, or as an off-the-shoulder top. Aduh, gue harus jauh banget nih biar kelihatan seluruh muka gue. Berikutnya, gue dikirimin Christmas gift sama Mohan. baju-baju Thanks Insomnia nih guys, keren banget jujur. So this is from Thanks Insomnia's Betty Boop collection. Ada tulisannya Thanks Insomnia, and then there's Betty Boop. Yang satu warna hitam, yang satu warnanya orange. Terus Mohan bilang, gue nggak tahu soalnya lo sukanya baju yang warna-warni atau baju yang hitam, jadi gue coba aja dulu kasih dua-duanya. Terus gue bilang, iya gue sukanya bajunya yang hitam-hitam sih, jadi Anda mengambil langkah yang benar. This one looks really vintage. Kalau this one, because of the color, it doesn't look vintage, but it's still super cool. Illustrationnya keren. Thank you Mohan dan tim Thanks Insomnia. Next thing I got for Christmas is from my friend Fira. She literally sent me a Burberry perfume. But that's not even the best part. The best part is that she wrote a note on this Shrek paper. She knows me so well. So this Burberry perfume is called My Burberry. It's a gorgeous little transparent gold tinted bottle and has a cute little bow on the front that says woven in England. And the cap of the bottle is this sort of tortoise shell pattern. It's beautiful and it smells really nice too. Oh, it's very light and it smells like a Burberry store. It smells like Singapore. It smells like Marina Bay Sands. It smells like a hotel. I don't know. And it's very light, which is exactly what I look for in a perfume because I don't really like heavy fragrance. This is perfect. Thank you so much, Fira. Okay, next up I have the cutest thing ever. So one of my friends and co-founders of my organization, Arise a Rose, Mira, she sent a surprise package to my doorstep. She left me this note. It's a literal printed note. Niat banget sih lo, Mira, sumpah. Dear Ara, happy holidays. We all know this whole year kind of feels like a holiday already. However, let's welcome the coming 2021 with burning enthusiasm and ambition. Cheers to new chances and possibilities that awaits. So she sent these to a lot of her friends, and what's so amazing and special is that she customized each Christmas gift package according to the person. So for me, she got me a reusable, collapsible cup. Well, I have yet another reusable collapsible coffee cup, and that is so great because I have so many family members and they also need reusable collapsible coffee cups. So thank you so much, Mira. This is a very meaningful and well thought through present. Thank you. Okay, so this one's pretty ridiculous, but I went Christmas headband shopping a few days ago because I just wanted a new set of Christmas headpieces, and I got this really cute one. So these reindeer ears and a little Santa hat, and I have a bigger Santa hat somewhere in this room. And while I was shopping for these, I came across a traditional Indonesian market pop-up thing, and I got this incredibly cute bag. So ini tuh kayak apa ya? Aku tuh suka banget tas-tas kayak gini, kayak tas-tas pasar, tas-tas basket gitu, bisa buat kamu belanja untuk sayur atau buahan kalau kamu lagi ke pasar. This can be used as a reusable shopping bag in the supermarkets as well. Dan yang pasti lo kalau misalnya jalan-jalan ke pantai atau apa, lo bisa bawa ini. Dan gue suka banget karena ini terasa Indonesia banget. I already have a big version of this bag, warnanya hijau, cuman terlalu gede kan, dan aku tuh dari dulu pengennya yang lebih kecil. So now I got the perfect size. Gue pas ngeliat ini bener-bener jauh banget, kayak jauh banget, like 10 meter jauh banget. Nggak 10 meter sih, tapi nggak tahu sih, gue nggak tahu matematika. Tapi pokoknya jauh banget. Tapi terus kayak mata gue yang -3 by the way itu kayak tiba-tiba ngeliat apa tuh? Gue ngeliat kuning-kuning kecil. Ternyata tas impian gue. Nih ya, gue kasih tau ya guys. Selain ini, bahannya kayak faux silk gitu, terus bikin kelihatan elegant banget, tapi also cute at the same time. Selain itu, ini adalah pajamas paling comfy banget, terus bagus banget, sumpah. Ini tuh kayak it looks like a silk gitu loh, cute but it's elegant at the same time. It's just like perfect kalau misalnya lo mau Christmas sleepover atau sleepover akhir tahun. Biasanya gue tuh ada sleepover akhir tahun sama teman-teman gue, cuman kan ya gara-gara pandemi, terus dua teman-teman gue udah mencar di United States sama United Kingdom, gue doang yang tinggal di sini. But still, I'm gonna have a sleepover by myself with these jammies. Terima kasih guys udah nonton video gue, and I hope you had a blessed Christmas and you're gonna have a happy holidays and a happy New Year's. Again, if you guys want to shop any of the stuff that I mentioned in this video, go ahead and check the description box down below. There are so many links there that you can shop from, and don't forget to support me by liking this video, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video, which is gonna be 7 hari berkain. Dadah semuanya!